What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about the 925 protocol. Let's see how the project is doing so far. Okay, so today marks 90 days since the project's been up and running. Okay, so total deposits 366K, total employees 546 employees, revenue generated from external revenue was so far 23K. Okay, and the current daily APR is 0.3% daily or 1.5% weekly. Okay, which is super low. But anyway, okay, let's go over to my dashboard and let's see what's up. Over here, we can see that the office is closed. We can see my total invested, total withdrawn, ROI, and monthly salary. Okay. So currently the 9 to 5 TVL is zero, okay, or it's close to zero, 0.45 cents, okay. So that means that they let the TVL get drained, okay. This is a really bad sign and really bad thing for the protocol because when you run a protocol or project, you don't let the TVL goes to zero because when that happens, people will start asking a lot of questions, okay? If you come over here to the 9 to 5 TG group, they say on the weekly revenue report from the 23rd of July to the 29th of July, they have made 5,500 bucks from the portfolio balance of 170K, okay? Total withdrawn from users was, let's say, 4.9K, so that means they had um, a spare of 600 bucks, okay? But bear in mind the daily ROI was 0.3 and still is 0.3, okay? So the latest revenue they generated last week, I believe, okay? So this was posted on the 7th of August, so today is the 7th of August, okay? So they say, this is the last one. This was today. This one right here was posted on the 5th of August, okay? They say they have generated around 6K last week or during that week, okay, from the remaining 170K, okay? So if the total withdrawals still at, let's say 4.9 or 5K, that means there is 1K spare, okay? So 1K plus 600 bucks from last week, that's 1.6K, okay? And this morning, TVL was empty, still empty. They injected 1,500 bucks, but obviously people claim, as you can see right here on transactions, people claim their rewards, and contract is now empty. So they are saying that the remaining 4.5K uh, are with the broker, and as soon as they receive the funds, they will inject the funds back to the smart contract so people can start claiming, work harder, or do whatever they feel like. Okay, so that's the latest about DeFi experiment. Okay, so like I said many times in the TG group, paying 0.3% is ridiculous, right? So 0.3% times 5 days because you only earn 9 to 5. Okay, so 0.5 percent per week. So if you multiply this by 4 weeks, which is a month, so in a month you'll make 6%. Okay, and my ROI currently is at 27%. And bear in mind, I've joined the project on the first few days. Okay, so probably there are some people with 35% ROI, 40% ROI. Okay, but no more than that. So let's say you are at 40% ROI and you need 60% ROI to just get your initial capital back. Okay, so 60%. So if you're making 6% per month, you will have to wait 10 months to get that 60%, which is a really long time. And that just makes me thinking, these guys, they are struggling to make some money, right? Because they have 170K. And if they are making, um, let's say 6K per week, okay, let's divide this by 6K. So that means divided by 100. That means they are making 0.28% per week, okay? Which is 0.28. Hold on. 0.28. Am I doing the math right? 40.7K divided by 100. 47. They're making about 2.8% per week, roughly. Okay. So 2.4, let's call it 3%. So 3% divided by 7 days, that will be like 0.42% per day. Okay, with those 170Ks. You might say, yeah, that's a good figure, but this is for the 7 days. Okay. So this is for the 7 days. So if you do this 5 days, will be like 0.6%, right? But we only getting 0.3%. But in my opinion, they just should call it off. Call it off because, it's going to take a really long time for the people just to get their money back, and it's just not worth spending the money on gas fee. So last week, I let it accumulate for 7 days and I only got 3.9. Okay, and if I don't claim right now, I'm not going to be able to earn anything. Okay, and right now I cannot earn any more because TVL is down. Okay, there's nothing there, so there's nothing I can do, even though I'm earning at 0.78 USDT per day. Some people made big investments and they are missing out on their daily rewards because they cannot withdraw, compound, or work hard. That being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. I'm going to keep you updated as soon as device spammer decides to give us more update about what's happening. Okay, but in my opinion, it should just call it off and give the people's money back, whatever we got left, 170K, and we all can go about our business. Okay. That being said, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.